horses out. They have Nabreka. Pass to begin down on the inside. And on the outside, Sir Henry. Then followed by Prince of the Gold Mine. Joel's Choice comes next. Supreme Leader. Yes, Joey second last. And GI Speedball trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Nabreka by Aralenga. And in second is Sir Henry running by the third, Joel's Choice. Prince of the Keys racing in fourth, moving up on the outside, Gold Mine. Supreme Leader comes next. Yes, Joey, and a long way back to GI Speedball. Nabreka moving up, Sir Henry on the outside, Joel's Choice moving up by Drell. Then alongside Gold Mine, then followed by Prince of the Oka. Supreme Leader is running by Drell. Then comes, yes, Joey and GI Speedball. Now we have Joel's Choice, this time by Oralenka. And on the outside is Gold Mine. Nabreka, Supreme Leader now moving up by Drell. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Joel's Choice. Gold Mine is on the outside. Gold Mine, Joel's Choice fighting out for the lead. Supreme Leader in between horses. It's now Gold Mine, Supreme Leader. And finally, Gold Mine, Supreme Leader. Then comes Joel's Choice. Number 6, yes, Joey Nabreka.
Minitin pa. Talaga accident din, no? Hindi pa tinuloy. Anyway, parang